Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something a little more magical, literally. We're checking out the LEGO Harry Potter book Nook, Hogwarts Express, and let me tell you, this one is an absolute gem for LEGO fans, Harry Potter lovers, and anyone who enjoys creative display pieces. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description if you want to grab this set for yourself or for someone who's a wizard at heart. It makes an awesome gift too. Alright, let's talk about what makes this set so special. First off, it's not just a regular LEGO build, this is a DIY book Nook, which means it's designed to sit between your books on a shelf like a little magical diorama. Once it's built, it looks like the iconic Hogwarts Express platform is literally hiding between your books. Super unique, super eye-catching. The build itself is really fun and satisfying, especially if you're into detailed sets. It's recommended for ages 10 and up. And I'd say that's pretty accurate. It's not too complex, but there's enough going on to make it feel like a legit project. And of course, the minifigures are included. You get Harry Potter, plus other little details and accessories that really bring the scene to life. What I love most is the design. The whole thing is full of Easter eggs from the wizarding world, from the 9 3/4 platform signage to the train details and magical touches tucked into the corners. It's compact, but it still has that classic LEGO magic where you just want to keep looking at it from every angle. And for collectors or fans of bookshelf decor, this one is a winner. It's more than just a toy, it's a display piece that brings personality to your shelves, especially if you already have a Harry Potter collection. Plus, it's a great way to mix LEGO fun with actual room aesthetics. Whether you're getting this for a kid who loves pretend play or you're a grown-up fan who never got their Hogwarts letter, this kit is charming, nostalgic, and just a blast to build and show off. So if you're ready to add a little magic to your shelves, hit that link below to check it out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more awesome builds and reviews, and let me know in the comments what your favorite LEGO set is. Catch you next time, Mischief Managed.